Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. Today we will explore how to configure and use reports in HRST to support decision making. HR reports is crucial for tracking key HR performance metrics, improving service delivery, and identifying trends. With ServiceNow's reporting tool, HR teams can generate real-time insights, monitor SLA compliance, and optimize HR workflows. By the end of this video, you will learn why reporting is essential in HRST, how to create and customize HR reports using advanced reporting features for better insights, how reports drive better HR decision making. Let's get started. Introduction to HR reports. Effective HR reports helps organization understand trends, measure HR efficiencies, and improve employee experience. Key HRST metrics and KPIs. HR case resolution times. It tracks how quickly HR issues are resolved, then SLA compliance rate, measure adherence to service level agreements, then HR service utilization identifies frequently used HR services, and employee satisfaction scores, which analyze feedback for HR surveys. Then types of reports in ServiceNow: list reports, which displays data in the table format, then chart reports, it uses bar, pie, and line charts for visualization, then pivot reports, aggregates data to show trends, and performance analytics reports that tracks HRST performance over time. Real world use cases: tracking case backlogs trends to prevent delays, identifying common HR inquiries to enhance the knowledge base, then monitoring employee onboarding efficiency to improve HR workflows. Creating custom HR reports. Let's go step by step in creating a custom HR reports in ServiceNow. So the first step is configuring reports, filters, and condition. Navigate to reports, create new reports in ServiceNow, select the HRST table as the data source, apply filters to narrow down the data such as case opened in the last 30 days, case assigned to specific HR teams, SLA breaches in high priority cases, and adding visualization like charts tables. Use a chart type like bar, line, pie based on the data. Use tables for detailed breakdowns. For example, a bar chart to compare HR cases volume across different departments. Then grouping and sorting report data. Group cases by category, priority or status. Then sort by resolution time to identify slowest resolving cases. Then scheduling and sharing reports. Schedule reports to run daily, weekly, or monthly. Share reports with HR managers, executives, or stakeholders. So let's explore the HR reports on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we type report and then go down, and under the HR dashboard and reports, if we open the reports, then these all are the HR related reports. We can also create the new report from this button, create a report, and follow by following the step I explained earlier. Like if we open this report, which is active HR cases, it's taking time because the instance is a little bit slow. So when we create the report, the first thing is the data, the name of the report, then the source type and the table. Then we go to the type tab where we select that which type of report we need, like bars, then pie chart, time series, scores, and other types are also available. And this report is of list type. And after this step we go to the configure and we select any group by or any column as per our requirement, and in style we can simply modify the report view, and we can share the report from here, also schedule the report from here, then we can add this report to any dashboard, and then we can also export to the PDF. So in this way we can create the reports in ServiceNow and share with shared on different dashboards and shared with different users. Advanced reporting features. To get deeper insights, ServiceNow provides advanced reporting features. Drill down capabilities. Click on the report section to view detailed data breakdown. For example, clicking on SLA breaches to see affected cases. Adding performance analytics to reports. Track HRST trends over time with performance analytic dashboards. Then monitor case resolutions, improvements over quarters. Then managing reporting report dashboard, combine multiple reports into an interactive dashboards. For example, a manager dashboard showing HR case trends, SLA breaches, and employee satisfaction score. Then automating report delivery, set an automated email reports for leadership teams, ensure HR teams receive real-time insight without manual efforts. Then improving decision making with reports. HR reports support data-driven decision-making and enhance HR service quality. Tracking HR case resolution times, identify cases that exceed resolution targets, optimize workflows to speed up case handling, then identify trends in HR incidents, spot recurring HR issues and address root causes, improve HR policies and processes based on data insights, then monitoring SLA compliance, ensure HR teams meet service level commitments, reduced missed deadlines and escalations, and enhancing HR service performance. Use reports to measure employee engagement and satisfaction, adjust HRST strategies based on real time feedback. That's a wrap on HRST reporting for decision making. In this video, we covered why HR reporting is important, how to create and customize reports in ServiceNow, advanced reporting features for better insights, how reports improve HR decision making. ServiceNow powerful reporting tool help HR teams analyze trends, monitor KPIs, and drives continuous improvement. Start using custom HR reports today to make smarter decisions. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.